What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Now, in today's video, I want to give you a quick update on what's happening with the broad crypto market in general, why I think that we are in a position in which we could start to see this crypto market pushing much more bullish sometime rather soon, and what I'm paying attention to in order to gauge if that's happening. And so with that said, let's not waste any more time at all, and let's get straight into the video. Now, looking at the charts today, we're going to be looking at crypto total market cap, okay? So this is the total market cap of Bitcoin, all altcoins, everything, okay? We're currently sitting right around $2.3 trillion, and things are actually looking pretty good, especially in comparison to what we've been seeing over the last couple months. I mean, I'm sure you guys have noticed, but we are really starting to see things recover, right? You look at the month, for example, and although there is still some red, right? Uni, Jasmy, Gala, FLR, ENA, Strike, or STRK, a lot of these are still in the red. We are really starting to see some of them pop back towards the green side, so we are in a state of recovery at this given point from the boringness and kind of the downtrend negativity we've been seeing since the middle of March. Now, looking at total market cap, what this allows us to do is just get an overall idea of where we are in this cycle. Like, where are we at in the market right now? What is actually happening? Because it's so easy to think, well, we're in the summer. Summers are usually ugly, so hopefully by the end of summer, we get out of this. But what does that actually look like? That's what we're talking about today. So since March, what we can see is that things have been on a consistent downtrend, right? Lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. And that's pretty consistently what we've been doing. But as this has been playing out, we've been seeing a pretty general structure that is typically bullish. Of course, the market did start to put in a ton of bullishness over the last year and a half, in which the total market cap itself was just consistently climbing. We saw Bitcoin put in a new all-time high. We saw obviously all of those things happen. And so because of that, things did start to really ramp up and go a little bit too vertical too fast. And so it is no surprise that things would cool down, slow down, pull back, etc. But in the time that it has been cooling down and pulling back, we've been putting in what is called a descending wedge, almost a parallel descending wedge, which is typically an extremely bullish structure. Now, what that means is that at some given point, based off of historical data, we should get a breakout to the upside of this structure. And what that looks like is, of course, the crypto market moving and continuing into this bull market, likely with many cryptos, including Bitcoin, putting in all-time highs again. And what's interesting about it is that where we are right now seems as if the crypto market is going to be testing the top side of this wedge to determine if now is the time or not. You know, I've said pretty consistently that I didn't think we would really start to see the market catch momentum again until like late August, September, October, somewhere in there, like that Q3 time frame. And this is lining up quite well with that possibility. What you can see here is that as we are seeing the crypto market moving in towards this upwards direction, we are running into some key resistance levels, right? We obviously have this key resistance level here, the same one we ran into back here. We have this 618 to 786 Fibonacci retracement zone from our most recent high all the way down to that most recent low. We obviously have the resistance itself from the descending wedge sitting right above us, which will be a task to clear. Obviously, we ran into resistance once, twice, and three times, so I don't think we're just going to do this. I think we may work our way up, get rejected, maybe pull back, go sideways, find some support, break to the upside, right? Something like that. And if this is the case, it means that we could directly be on track for this crypto market to start making a move towards the upside and hopefully breaking out towards the last, of course, 3, 4, 5 months of the year. And so because of that, what I am paying the most amount of attention to right now is the interaction that we're seeing. You know, we do have this resistance sitting directly above us. We're seeing a ton of rejection at $2.36 trillion. And so, of course, where I'm at is I'm kind of slowing down a little bit. I'm not doing a ton of buying on Bitcoin. I'm not doing a ton of buying on Solana. The reason being because I want to see if we're capable of clearing these levels. Is total market cap capable of breaking through resistance, maybe working its way in here, breaking above this resistance zone? And then I'll really start to look to accumulate at that given point, because I know that the barriers above us are much smaller than they were when we were sitting right here. And so where I am and where I think we are right now is that this crypto market is about to make a very important decision. Are we going to start to break some of these key levels of resistance? Are we about to start trying to clear some of these key barriers? And if that is the case, then we could be on perfect track to see this crypto bull market continue towards the later half of this year. And so because of that, I'm paying very close attention to it. I think this is super exciting. It's so nice to know that we could have seen the worst behind us. We might have finally gotten done with this pullback in which we've been seeing, and we could be out of the woods somewhat rather soon, but we're not quite there yet. So of course I will continue to update you as this does play out, and all you need to do to stay the most updated as possible with this crypto market is just subscribe to the channel. Every day I'm posting videos on Bitcoin, Solana, Render, Jasmy, meme coins, pre-sales, utility coins, and much more. So if that is something that interests you, make sure of course that you do go check it out down in the subscribe button down there. Go click that, click the channel, check it out, let me know what you think, and I can't wait to see you all in the next one. Peace out, everybody.